I'll be showing you the easiest way to turn any image at all into a video avatar and lip sync it using ElevenLabs. Something that looks just like this.
Have you ever wanted to create a realistic talking avatar without recording yourself every time? In this video, I'll show you how to create the avatar, generate the voice, and synchronize everything inside ElevenLabs.
Now, before we start anything at all in ElevenLabs, the first step is to create images of the avatar that you want to bring to life. Now, I've gone ahead to create these images in ChatGPT already. I use a simple ChatGPT prompt. So I'll be calling this avatar Cole, like you'll see shortly. But you want to have different angles of your avatar. So this is the first angle, the second, the side view, the second side view, and the final simple headshot. So you can always create simple images like this in ChatGPT. Once you have your avatar images all sorted, you want to head over to ElevenLabs. Now make sure you're on the 11 Creative dashboard. That is this one right here. And then you want to go over to Image and Video. So you click on this. You'll see that there's an array of different avatars. So ElevenLabs actually gives you an avatar library that you can scroll through to select whichever one you want. So that's an option. But for this, we're going to be building our avatar from scratch. So let's click on View All and then Create Avatar. This is the interface to create an avatar. So there are two options. You can upload your images, which we'll be doing shortly, or you can create an avatar from a prompt. But for this, I'll be showing you how to create an avatar from your images. So remember the images we had in the very first step. We'll be uploading it right here. So ElevenLabs allows you to upload up to 10 images. We have 4 images, and that's just fine. So I'm going to upload them right here. I have like 4 different views or images of this avatar, and that's really good because it helps ElevenLabs to analyze all these photos and create a consistent identity for your avatar. So I'm going to call my avatar Cole, and now we want to give the avatar a voice. So you can select a voice for your avatar from ElevenLabs Voice Library. So I think I have the voice I want already. So I searched earlier. So this is the voice I want to use, called Timmy. So this is a male African voice. So I'm going to select it. Yep, so Cole now has a voice, and now you can see that it costs you 407 credits to create an avatar. That's fine. I'm just going to hit Create Avatar. I think that's one of the reasons I really like, ElevenLabs, the fact that I don't have to clone my voice and there are many realistic voices to pick from. So let's check this out. ElevenLabs has gone ahead to create the Cole avatar for us, and you can see that you have a prompt to create lip sync. So you click on that. One thing I should mention here is ElevenLabs makes lip syncing very seamless. So in the past, you have to, combine multiple tools to actually lip sync a video, but right now in ElevenLabs is very much straightforward. So we have our headshot here, and now we need to give a speech to Cole, our avatar. So click on speech. There are 2 options. You can either upload your audio or use the text to speech. Text to speech is way simpler for me, so I'm going to click on this. So in here, this is where you want to give your avatar exactly what it should say. So I have the script I want, Cole to say, and I'm going to paste it in here. So from this, you notice that everything isn't a single paragraph. They are short sentences, well spaced, and I found out that this actually helps the avatar to, speak more realistically. One thing you can also do is to, modify the settings right here. So if you wanted to, speak faster or speak slower, you can always modify the settings by scrubbing through the slider. So let's actually generate the speech and see how it sounds like.
Think about how many brilliant people never start creating content simply because they are nervous about being on camera.
Okay, so this is just perfect. I don't think I need to modify anything anymore. Yeah, it sounds just perfect. It sounds really human. I like the pace of the speech. So when you're doing yours, you can always modify these settings till you get the speech that actually sounds realistic. And when you're satisfied with that, click Use Speech. Now you have the headshot avatar and the speech the avatar should say. So we'll be lip syncing it right now, and I'm just going to send this to ElevenLabs to generate. From experience, it will take a little while, somewhere between 30 seconds to a minute, to create this avatar lip sync. So give it a bit of time and come back to it. Alrighty, it took about 2 minutes for ElevenLabs to complete this avatar, but it's finally done, and let's click on it to preview it. So let's see how it sounds.
Think about how many brilliant people never start creating content simply because they're nervous about being on camera. Well, that's one less thing to worry about now, because you can literally create an AI presenter like me in just a few minutes, just like Esther showed you. So, if you've been waiting to start creating, maybe this is your sign. Start today. And while you're here, give this video a like and, of course, subscribe to Esther's channel. I'll see you in the next one.
This is what ElevenLabs has created, and I really like it, not bad at all. There are a few things I like about it. The first is the expressiveness of the avatar. You can see how expressive the avatar is, right? You can see how it uses the hand gestures, even though I didn't say it should use it. So that's a plus. That's really how simple it is to turn an image like this into a talking avatar that has an accurate lip sync. And if you found this video helpful, well, just like Bella and Co have said, please give the video a like, because it will help more people to find it, and subscribe to my channel for more practical AI tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.